All right, guys. This is what we're playing right now. We got in at this candle right here. I had to reshoot the intro. Didn't have my account set up right. But we're watching right now. We got in here for a long. We're going upwards. We're hoping it bounces off this support line right here. You can kind of see it bounced off there earlier in December. It's taking a bounce off it right now. So we're just hoping this line of resistance right now becomes a line of support pretty soon. It might want to come back to test the same spot like around here before it wants to make a move back up. Then it'll be a double bottom, and it can make a recovery. But we're not playing that far in time wise. 138 held pretty well yesterday. Up to the 140, that's probably a zone right there. That's their big plus. And that we're out. We're done. That's enough ass whooping for today. All right, that was fun. Um, 250. So we're gonna loss of 250 for that. All right, here's a quick recap on the trade we made today. We got in this candle, hoping for a bounce above that line. Um, didn't go in our favor. Again, we lost, I think, 250. We ended up getting out in this candlestick right here. And this has been the support since. So now it's holding. Now it's holding that. But yep, we got out right there. Um, just for a few trade ideas I had going on. Working on a Boeing swing trade. You can kind of see the quick pattern of it since this big drop from COVID selling. It seems to make like a wedge pattern downwards, or whatever you want to call this situation going on here. Makes a quick break downwards, makes a run up, leg up. Same similar situation going on. This is just like a rough idea. Um, breaks, just below, or at this support, makes another leg up. So now we're in this phase here where it's been just consolidating for the longest time, and there is no guarantee that it'll make its way up. But here's just some performances of the sectors. You can kind of see that. So 3 months ago, it was real estate, technology, basic materials leading. Industrials was kind of in the middle. Energy's been really low, and financials weren't doing well. Looking at the month and the week so far, you can kind of see that the week energy's picking up, financials are picking up, which were leading bottom in the 3 months ago. You got industrials coming up, consumers defensive, uh, and you can kind of see tech is down here, communication services down here, healthcare. So these are more um, the healthcare technology, consumer cyclical, communication services. These are a little more towards when the economy is doing well and growth is expected. But you can kind of see that this week, energy is doing really well. So like oil, gas, all those companies, financials doing well. Typically, they pay dividends, which is a nice bonus to hold on to if the market is going sideways, up and down. You want to at least have some money coming in. So a lot of institutions might be putting their money into those defensive industrials, and Boeing would be considered industrial. So back to here. Um, it it made this double bottom here. If we wanted to have drawn a support line, um, anywhere this price range hits all these points right here. Boom, 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 boom. Originally here, it looks like they made a inverse head and shoulders, bounced off these, so that's kind of a nice. So this is a nice little support line. Um, Made this double bottom, and it's breaking up now. So we're hoping it can be one of these moves where it's breaking up above, and then it can make that impulse run up. Um, Boeing from its highs pre-COVID, we're at 400 bucks, and it just had a hard time recovering with all the airlines and travel, um, getting orders in. So last year, last year it had a run up. I think, not sorry, it must have been around this time period where it had this run up. Similarly with, let's take a look at American Airlines. They had a nice run up, yeah, in this springtime as well, January to March. On the premise that they were thinking, oh, COVID's going to be over, travel's coming back. But then Delta came, everything else happened, and all these companies, including Carnival, they had this run up here, um, thinking, oh, great, travel's back, and then it came back down because it's just so much uncertainty. And with Omicron right now, looks like Omicron's going to hold it off for a little while more. So that's our swing trade that I just opened today. I'm hoping this double bottom holds well. It can break this neckline, come back up here, and then continue running. That'd be the goal. We'll see how that performs. And then our other one we're watching is Disney. Disney also kind of sort of hit a double bottom. Um, Disney doesn't pay a dividend, so it's a little more speculative for me. Um, but Disney's been doing well. It's got the streaming. If it does open up its parks this year, it would be really nice. Um, it's been trading sideways in this 165, 200 range, just under 200, but mainly, yeah, within 190, 170. Um, Broke downwards, and it's actually kind of great value. And we are seeing the 50 EMA cross back above the 200 EMA, could be a run up. And yeah, again, like I'm seeing a double bottom. Hopefully, even if it were to just come up to 176, we can take profits and be done until take profits there, and I'd be happy. So that's our second swing right there. Um, I'll probably keep you guys updated on that. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.